Hi there, this is Sasha from Ideal Homes Portugal. Welcome to our open house, and I've got something very special to show you today. It's a 3-bed, 4-bath, fully renovated apartment, a penthouse on the 7th floor, fully furnished. It's on the market at 879,000 euros, and I think it's something outstanding. It's one of the best apartments in terms of views and size. It's over 200 meters squared of apartment. And so, for example, the location is second to none because you've got the Intermarché shopping centre just a couple of minutes walk away. You've got the private hospital, which is about 3-minute walk away. You've got Porto de Mós Beach in the distance, which is probably about a 5-minute drive, if that. And then you've got Meia Praia Beach on this side with the longest natural bay in Europe. You're only about a sort of 10-minute walk into the center of the old town of Lagos. The fish market is just round the corner, so the location is second to none. So why don't we go along and have a look at the rest of the apartment. Okay, I'm just inside now from the terrace which we just saw, and this is a large open plan living room, dining room, kitchen space. So why don't we have a look at the kitchen itself. So you've got a really nice kitchen bar here for sufficient probably for 6 people dining here. Then you've got a fully kitted out kitchen. You've obviously got the microwave, you've got the dishwasher there, you've got double sinks, you've got the gas hob, which is connected to the municipal gas supply. You've got extractor fan, you've got the oven, you've got the gas boiler there. Then you've got a really nice cooler over here, probably for about 40 or 50 bottles of wine. So, you know, more than you need. You've got two sets of fridges over there. And it's a really nice light and airy. So this is a south-facing space. And then you've got a large sort of living room area here with cable TV, so fast internet connection as well with Wi-Fi. And then the way that the current owner has set this up, he's set this up as a sort of a home office here. And then of course you've got the dining room here. Then you've got the main front door here, which is, when you open that up, you've got a private hallway here with 2 sets of lifts. So it's all very private here. Why don't we go along and have a look at the rest of the apartment. Okay, let's have a look at the bedroom wing now. So you've got a nice family bathroom here with walk-in shower. And then if we walk this way, you've got a really nice, spacious laundry room with washer, tumble dryer, actually with pretty good views as well. Then you've got one of the bedrooms here with ensuite bathroom with a private terrace. Then you've got another bedroom over here with ensuite bathroom and a shared terrace with the master bedroom. So if we walk this way, you can see that the master bedroom is a good size, aircon of course throughout. Then you've got really nice ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. And then over here you've got 2 sets of wardrobes, fitted wardrobes. And then over here, obviously, you've got the large space for the king-size bed. You've got really nice views on this side. You've got fantastic views on this side with a large terrace here, which is shared by the other bedrooms. So why don't we have a look at the other bedrooms now? Okay, so now let's walk onto the shared terrace that I mentioned before. So you've got the master bedroom on that side, you've got the other bedroom on this side, you've got a brand new sauna here. This is an east-facing terrace, so great for breakfast because the sun is rising over there. You've got Mayor Pride Beach over there. You've got the Old Town over there. And I mean, this is just spectacular location. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. Why don't we have a look at the other bedroom here. So again, as I mentioned before, this is an ensuite with a bath. So this one's got a bath rather than the walk-in shower. Again, fantastic views there. Aircon as well. And why don't we have a look at the other bedroom now? Okay, so this is the third bedroom, also with an ensuite bathroom. You've got fitted wardrobes there. You've got obviously aircon as well. And then you've got a private west-facing terrace here, again with great views, and sunset is on this side. So if you really want to catch the sunset, this is the terrace that you would use. And then why don't we have a look at the final room, which is the laundry room. Okay, so we're now standing in the laundry room, which is a good size. You've got obviously a washing machine there, you've got the tumble dryer there, you've got the sink there, you've got lots of cupboard space here, everywhere, for all of your sort of cleaning products and so on. And this one has its own private terrace as well. Look at the views, I mean, absolutely spectacular. And then here's another terrace here. Again, showing you Mayor Pride Beach. So, you know, it's just amazing, this apartment. I mean, even the laundry room has spectacular views from the terrace.